But speaking of advisories, let's also talk about a fresh travel advisory that has also been issued by major airlines. What we are getting to know that Air India and Indigo have cancelled multiple flights as a precautionary measure. Air India has suspended operations to key border areas, which is like Jammu, Leh, Amritsar, 8 in total. Meanwhile, Indigo has also grounded 6 of its flights that has cited security concerns. And passengers traveling to and from the northern region are also advised to check with the airlines before heading to the airport. Well, Teji, this is what happens when it comes to dealing with Pakistan. We cannot trust the country at all, or a rogue nation by Pakistan. But there are advisories that has been issued, and utmost precautions is also being followed by our aviation sector.
Well, yes, let me tell you that this comes after the drones that were spotted in Samba for approximately 15 to 20 minutes at around 9:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. However, now things seem to be normal. Now everything is under control. Yes, after drones were spotted over there, and in several other areas, including Samba, there was blackout. The sirens could be heard, and that is why perhaps this particular travel advisory had been issued by Indigo and Air India. Remember that Air Indigo issued travel advisory yesterday night itself, mentioning that flights to and fro from Jammu, Kashmir, Leh, Ladakh, and Punjab as well. So these flights remains to be cancelled again for today. And now, just few minutes back, Air India has also come up with the advisory for cancelling its flight from all these places. Yet now we'll have to see that what happens today.
Passengers that are now advised that they check before reaching the airport if their flight is on time. Has there been any delay or cancellation, particularly in the northern regions, which are the close border areas? For the moment, Tetri, thank you very much for joining in.